Hey everyone, so I'm going to show you how to record 360 video in Unity. It's really easy. All you need is the Unity recorder, which you can get from Window Package Manager. And once you have the recorder package, you can very easily go from recording plain capture footage into 360 view footage. And this will let you record a 360 video at the push of a button. And the great thing about using this is you don't have to have a specific camera already pre-made and set up. You can just use your default camera and it'll make a 360 from there. And if you want to upload this 360 footage, all you need to do is inject the metadata to make it a 360 viewable video. You can get that very easily. YouTube provides it in the links on their documentation, so it's super easy to do. And here's an example of 360 video that we've already uploaded to YouTube. You can find it on our YouTube channel. And this just give you an idea of how easy it is to make 360 video.